If you want to activate eSIM on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, first we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, you should be able to go to Mobile Networks. And after that, if you scroll down, we have the Turn on eSIM option. So of course, we need to turn it on. And in order to do so, we need to deactivate SIM number 2. If you have, for example, the physical second SIM card inserted into the phone, then it will be deactivated. After that, we will go to Manage SIM section, where we can press Add eSIM. And of course, we can scan our QR code that you can get from the carrier or service provider. You can also enter the activation code manually over here if you choose Use Activation Code. There we go. And also, you can of course open the gallery. Let's say if you, for example, have the photo of the QR code, and if needed, you can also toggle the flashlight. After that, we just have to confirm that you want to add the eSIM. There we go. There we go. We have added the eSIM successfully. And over here, if needed, we can find our eSIM, and you can go over here in order to, for example, delete it, to toggle it, and so on and so forth. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.